Kia ora. So, coming to the Manawa Ora Mirimiri clinic, what were your expectations coming into it?
Well, I had heard from your other co-workers, like, you know, what happened with them, and I suppose it's, you have to see it to believe it, but I walked in pretty open, asking, you know, our atuas and my guides, because I'm all about that, like, let it out, and I don't want to hide anything, so sitting in there, just trying to feel it, because I like to feel if there's a funny in the room, I want to leave, but it was actually comfortable.
Cool.
And my expectations were pretty. I didn't have much, but I knew that I wanted to be fixed.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And so, do you feel that you've achieved that today? Like afterwards, how are you feeling now?
When I got it done,
It's all right.
and my sister-in-law Tan, we've had some ups and downs, and it's been from out of nowhere. We're really close to it. When I got that done, and my reading, because I got the cards done as well, and I turned and looked at her, and I was like, oh my god, hi, I haven't seen you for a long time. Like, it felt like I haven't seen, because I've been with the both of us, you know, in life, not just her. She's just an example, but I lost my dad 7 years ago, and it's been, and I changed heaps, and I wasn't me, but with the massage, the mirimiri here, I could feel that I had to, like, properly let him go. And then when that happened, and I turned to my sister-in-law Tan, I was just like, wow, hi, and I cried on her, because I felt like myself had just seen her for a long time, for the first time. So it's I'm crying on this, so it's really good. It's good, my friend. It's really good. I recommend it to everybody that thinks that they're strong and they can uphold, because we are women. Women are real strong and we can do these things. But it will help you. They're like angels on earth. That's exactly how I can
That's
explain
beautiful.
it. Like little angels on earth. Oh yeah,
Awesome.
that's it, babe.
Oh, kia ora.
Kia ora.
Oh.